Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going through my daughter Elena's room. It is a mess. This is embarrassing. She loves to draw, she loves to play, and you know, we are in the summer mode and we have just been bumming around, not sticking to a routine. And she is just a busy girl. She has her little friends over and they get to going. And I had had enough. It was time to come in and get it cleaned up.
No, I'm looking down from up in the sky. I don't like it. Oh, I've been without you for all this time. Good God, I'm bent out of shape now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself.
Okay, so as I was going through her room, I am showing you what she had used to put up all of her artwork. And she had used glue to glue her drawings up. She glued them on the wall, on the door, and I am just asking, what is the easiest way to take that off without taking off the paint? If anybody could leave a comment and let me know, that'd be awesome. Thanks.
Without you, I don't feel whole. Look what you've done to me now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet.
Just showing a little bit of progress here as I was moving through, cleaning each corner out. Wow, it was just so much. Couldn't hardly believe everything I was finding in there. That's her closet. She has a big, wonderful closet. She tends to put stuff in bags. When she's told to clean up her room, she'll put stuff in bags, and then you go through the bags later and you find all these little treasures. And so I was just going through and cleaning all those up and getting it put away. This is Cheetos, our cat. He kind of makes an appearance in here several times throughout the video. He is 9 years old. He is the best cat in the world. You can probably ask just about anybody. He's nice, he's friendly, he's a good boy, and he has no issues being in the spotlight.
Yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? When she's a beauty queen, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make us win. It's time to listen to yourself right now.
As I had just got done cleaning out her easel full of markers and chalk. It's also magnetic. It has those numbers and letters that you can form words on there. But it's kind of funny. I had these attachments for my Tinco vacuum, and I had always wondered what had happened to them. And as I was cleaning out her closet, we just moved into this house last August, and as I was cleaning out her closet, I found those attachments for my vacuum in one of those shoe boxes out of her closet. And I was so excited. It was able to clean up her easel, no problem. And it's just so nice to be able to use it to get up close to the baseboards.
Make us win. So go and see what you can find right now. It's time to make a switch. Just open your eyes. Ooh. You're perfect just like this. I'm telling no lies. Make us win. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make us win. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make us win. There's treasure buried deep inside right now. Make us win. So go and see what you can find right now. Make us win. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make us win. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make us win. There's treasure buried deep inside right now. Make us win. So go and see what you can find right now.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. I never really liked the way you dressed. I guess I thought your style might grow on me. You're never really honest, made me guess. And now I want you far from close to me. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please.
Okay, another corner of the room was complete, and man, I was feeling it. I was looking around, thinking to myself, we've got this, we've made so much progress, but man, do we have a long way to go. So here we go, let's finish it, last stretch.
I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss.
So the vacuum I am using is called the Tinco iFloor 2. It is a cordless vacuum and it is wonderful. It has the lights on the front to where you can see exactly what you're vacuuming up. It is super lightweight, really easy to use. I use it on the second setting. I know a lot of people only use it on the first setting, but I am able to vacuum my whole house with it per charge without it dying on me at least. And I use the second setting. It's a really good vacuum. Check it out.
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk into my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets.
Okay, so this part of the video started cracking me up because I was cleaning out her little kitchen and I opened every cupboard and there is a surprise in every single cupboard. This is, I don't know what, it's like a slime, gel, beads mixture, and as soon as I opened that door, it just came piling out. So up next is me cleaning it up on my hands and knees, trying to get it all picked up to vacuum under and wipe out. Okay, you guys, this was it. This was the finished product. Her room looks so different, so much better, so clean. We still need to organize her books and go through her toys and her clothes, so we'll do that in another video. But I am so proud of the progress we made today, and I just want you to know that there is no project that is too big. If you have one, just get going.